Welcome everybody, welcome to today's video. Today's video we are going to check out another OBD scanner that was sent to me to do a review on. This one here is called Easy Check. And of course you can download the app either for the iPhone or Android device. Inside the package you get your OBD scanner, you get a serial number and activation code, which I was pretty excited at first because I thought that you could download bi-directional software for the scanner, but that doesn't seem to be the case. You do your whole login, download the app, diagnose and monitor just like every other OBD scanner. So let's plug this in. Plug it into the Jeep SO and you just find the app. I don't care about that. Connecting, Bluetooth connected. And this is like the instant ready monitor setup here. So this is basically how the app is gonna look. Your account, you could set up an 8-digit like wallet or whatever, and it's like Bitcoin in a sense, but that stuff really doesn't interest me at all. This is where I was kind of hoping that it would have bi-directional software, because otherwise this doesn't make it any different than any other software out there. Read fault codes. Of course on my Jeep there isn't any, so it's going to come up as none. Yeah, no fault codes. I don't have the Jeep running, but the data should come up. Or maybe I have to start it first. I just got the Jeep running and just listing off the systems that you can access. Fuel system closed loop, short-term field trim, I think the oxygen sensor voltage is a little off. 70 volts? I don't think so. I mean, that's really all this can do, just basic read reports, can generate inspection. That's pretty much it. It's your typical Bluetooth OBD scanner. I've tried but can't really confirm, but I believe this only works with the app itself and cannot work with Torque Pro or any other programs. If somebody else has this and they have got it to work with it, please post it in the comments below. I think this thing retails for about $60. Can it do anything different than what the $20 ones can do? I'm not sure. I'll leave that for you guys to discuss in the comments below. Anyways, I'm going to talk to you guys later.